Here it is. Lucky room number 3. This is where I'm going to be sleeping tonight. Oh, and they have lights too. Cool. Good morning, folks. This is Grant from Cyber and you're watching Travel. Today we're here in Dr. Emilio V Osmeña Botanical Garden here in Sitio, Tiguib, Malubog. So, I'm going to be doing an overnight stay here, and this is the room that I'm staying in. They actually call it wood shack. It somehow looks like a tent, but it's made out of wood. Most of it. Okay, you might notice that I'm wearing the same shirt and shorts from the first destination to the other. That is because my other white shirt and my short got wet due to the heavy rainfall along the way. Let's talk about the place. They do have stores here, but due to the current situation of Cebu City right now, they're closing it. But probably it will be back soon. The pool is also closed for the same reason. But the price to stay here for a night is stunningly cheap, which is a good thing. It cost me only 100 pesos for the entrance and 200 for the shed at the time of this video. Okay, I think we're almost done. Just listen to that. The only thing you can hear right now are the bullfrogs and crickets. Just look at this bed. You can fit 2 persons in here though. And this is your view first thing in the morning. Okay, now check these out. They do have a pond, or at least that's what they call it. It's actually a swimming pool. And of course, it wouldn't be a botanical garden without flowers. Lots of them. It's like bonding with nature in the least glamorous ways possible. Next stop to our next destination. And here we are. I'm on top of Cebu. Good day. Okay. Still, due to the current health crisis, stores are closed. Okay, it's not really a good idea to be here around 10 a.m. The sun is really scorching hot right now. Like, maybe you can fry an egg here. A bell. I wonder what this could be for. Oh my. Would you look at that? Right behind me is the entire view of the Queen City of the South and the neighboring cities. Amazing, right? And now I'm the only one here. The attendants, I don't know where they went, but I love the place. The place is really nice, trust me. Do note that the Botanical Garden and Tops of Cebu are close together, so you can just walk your way up to the tops. Getting yourself in only requires you to pay 100 pesos for the entrance fee at the time of this video. The The best time to visit here might be during sunset to nighttime during dry seasons. Since no breakfast was served for both places, I had to make my way down to Humba Heaven for a quick eat before I head home. Okay, that wraps it up for now. Thank you so much guys for watching and for supporting Cyber. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more of our content. Have a great day.